Today my topic is biological chapter, that is reproduction. We just discuss about the simple introduction, importance, and types. Introduction: the reproduction system is a collection of organs and structures in living organism that works together to produce offspring. Reproduction is a fundamental biological process that ensure the continuation of the species. The reproduction system studied in both plants and animals with a focus on human reproduction. Importance of the reproduction: continuity of the species, genetic variation, type of the reproductions, asexual reproduction, sexual reproduction.